Namaskar, welcome to Tourism Simplified. So today we are going to cover up some miscellaneous topics from tourism planning. First topic is your World Tourism Days with their theme from 2014 to 2024. Second topic will be your major landmark in tourism development in India, which is a short revision of your 5-year plans. And the third one is going to be your important definitions from tourism planning according to UNWTO. So let's start with our first topic, which is your World Tourism Days with their themes from 2014 to 2025. You can take screenshot of this thing. Sometimes the question is asked from tourism themes. I have seen some previous year questions where question is directly asked from this. So in 2014, the theme was tourism and community development. In 2015, 1 billion tourists, 1 billion opportunities. In 2016, tourism for all, promoting universal accessibility. 2017, sustainable tourism, a tool for development. 2019, tourism and jobs. 2020, tourism and rural development. 2022, rethinking tourism. 2023, tourism and green investment. 2024, tourism and peace. 2025, tourism and sustainable transformation. You all know that World Tourism Day is celebrated every year on 27th September. So let's move to our second topic, which is your major landmark in tourism development in India. Basically, this is a important, revision points from your 5-year plans. In 1955 and 1956, Indian tourist offices were opened in London, Paris, Melbourne, and Colombo. In 1965, three public sector enterprises were set up, which is your Hotel Corporation of India, Indian Tourism Transport Undertaking, and Indian Tourism Corporation. In 1966, these three were unified to form your ITDC, which is Indian Tourism Development Corporation. So it's important. In 1967, your Ministry of Tourism was formed and also Ministry of Civil Aviation was formed. Operation Europe was launched in 1968 with partnership with Air India. The first ever tourism policy was introduced in 1982. And 1982, very important year because tourism was accorded industry status and also included in your concurrent list. And travel circuit concept was also introduced. In 1986, your National Committee on Tourism was established, and Tourism Financial Corporation of India, which is your TFCI, was established in 1989. Indian Institute of Travel, Tourism and Travel Management was established in 1983 in Delhi. National Action Plan for Tourism was introduced in 1992. Incredible India campaign was launched in 2002. Second full-fledged tourism policy was introduced in 2002. Product Infrastructure Development for Destination and Circuits, which is your PIDDC scheme, was launched in 2007. Code of Conduct for Safe and Honorable Tourism was signed on 27 September 2010. In the light of G20 presidency, tourism has designated 2023 as a Visit India year. So please remember this Visit India year designated 2023. Let's move to our third topic, which is your important definitions. So these definitions are picked from your UNWTO because sometimes question is directly asked from your tourism definition. So I picked this topic. We have only two, three definitions here. So first is your sustainable tourism. Tourism that takes full account of its current and future economic, social, environmental impacts, addressing the needs of the visitor, the industry, the environment, and the host community. That's the definition for sustainable tourism from UNWTO. Pro-poor tourism, which is PPT, is a tourism approach that aims to generate net benefits for the poor in the form of economic, social, environmental, cultural benefits. It's not a specific product or a sector of tourism. Responsible tourism. So, responsible tourism is about making place better for people to live in and visit. Community participation. So, it's a concept. Community participation, according to UNWTO, is emphasized on activities not harm the social and economic interest of local community, improve people's working capacity. So these are the basic aims of your community participation. Responsible tourism was defined in Cape Town in 2002. So please remember, alongside the World Summit on Sustainable Development. So in 2002, World Summit on Sustainable Development was declared in Cape Town. So please remember this information. And the second one is the Cape Town Declaration is now widely accepted and was being adopted by the World Travel Market in 2007 for World Responsible Tourism Day. So 2007 was the World Responsible Tourism Day. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.